nebyakaayakana
like the sun.
ng'omusana.
Imagine
Kubamu ekifaananyi
if you were there
oba kuba nti waliwo
and you were with him
nga wali naye
and you were on the boat. And you were on the boat.
ng'oli ku lyato.
Alpha, come on, close. You can hear what I'm saying. And you were on the boat with Jesus.
Ng'oli ku lyato ne Yesu.
And you saw him coming to you on the Sea of Galilee.
N'omulaba ng'ajja atambula ku mazzi ku nnyanja e Galiraaya ng'ajja gy'oli.
And you saw him
N'omulaba
feed the multitudes,
ng'aliisa abantu abangi,
cleanse lepers,
ng'awonya abagenge,
raise Lazarus from the dead.
ng'azuukiza Laazaro okuva mu bafu.
Here's the question.
Ekibuuzo kye kino.
Would that have changed your life?
Ekyo kyalikyusizza obulamu bwo?
No.
Nedda.
You know why?
Omanyi lwaki?
It did not change their life.
Nabali tekyabakyusa.
Because when Jesus went to the cross,
Kubanga Yesu yagenda ku musaalaba,
they forsook him
baamuddukako
and they questioned
ne babuusabuusa
and they said,
ne bagamba